Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the questions asked in CSAT 2021. Right? In this video, we are going to discuss 5 questions. So this is the first question. In the English alphabet, the first 4 letters are written in opposite order, and the next 4 letters are written in opposite order, and so on. And at the end, Y and Z are interchanged, which will be the 4th letter to the right of the 13th letter. Right? Just read the question again. In the English alphabet, the first 4 letters are written in opposite order, and the next 4 letters are written in opposite order, and so on. So, okay, and at the end, Y and Z are interchanged, which will be the 4th letter to the right of 13th letter. Yes. First 4 letters. First, let me write the English alphabets. First 4 letters are written in opposite order, and the next 4, and so on. So let me split by 4 alphabets. Okay, fine. So 4 letters are written in opposite order. Just D, C, D, A. Again here, H, G, F, E. H. Okay, again L, K, J, I. And here it is P, O, N, M. And here it is T, S, R, Q. And here it is X, W, B, U. And here it is Z and X. Right? Okay. Now, what is the question? Which will be the 4th letter to the right of 13th letter? Which will be the 4th letter to the right of 13th letter? Let me first find out the 13th letter. 4, 8, 12, and this is the 13th letter, right? 4th letter, the question is 4th letter to the right of the 13th letter. The question is, which will be the 4th letter to the right of 13th letter? 13th letter, 4th letter to the right of 13th letter. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is T. Answer is option B, T. Right? Answer is option B, T. Answer is option B, T. Right? Okay. Let us go to the next question. Replace. Just read the question. Replace the incorrect term by the correct term in the given sequence. So they have given a term 3, 2, 7, 4, 13, and they have given up to 40, where odd terms and even terms follow the same pattern. Replace the incorrect term by the correct term in the given sequence, where odd terms and even terms follow the same pattern. Okay. You may know the series 3, 2, 7, 4. 3, 2, 7, 4. 3, 2, 7, 13, 10, 21, 18. 13, 10, 21, 18. 18, 31, 28, 43, 40. 31, 21, 28, 43, 40. Okay. Odd terms, they have already told that odd terms and even terms follow the same pattern. First, let me check the odd terms. Let me check the odd terms. Okay, fine. 3 plus 4 is 7. Right? 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. Again, here. 13 plus 8 is 21. 21 plus 10 is 31. 31 plus 41 plus 2. So it is 12. So the pattern is plus 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Right? Let me check the even term. Let me check with the even term. 28, 38, 40. So it is, this is plus 12. And here this is 18, 28. This is plus 10. And this is 10 to 18 plus 8, 4, 10. And this is plus 6. And here it is plus 2, 2, 2. Now look at this pattern. The difference is 4, 6, Look at the pattern. 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12, and the same. Plus 12 plus 10 plus 8 plus 6, and here it should be plus 4, right? And here it should be plus 4. So in the 4 banana, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 plus 10 is 28, 28 plus 12 is 44, right? So 4 plus 6 is 10. அப்ப இங்க என்ன போட்டா எனக்கு இங்க ஏதோ ஒரு நம்பர் போட்டா அந்த plus 4 பண்ணா எனக்கு இங்க 4 வரும். அப்போ என்ன போடணும்? Yes, I have to put 0 because 0 plus 4 is 4. Options என்ன இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Yes, that is option and A. Option A is 0. Right? So answer is instead of 2 here option incorrect. Incorrect pattern is 2. Incorrect number is 2. Incorrect term is 2. The correct term is 0. Right? If I put 0 here, 0 plus 4 is 4. Right? So up to 4 put 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Even pattern and odd pattern and even pattern are same. Right? So instead of 2, in the 0 one. Right? 0 plus 4 then it is 4. So answer is option A, 0. Right? Okay. Next sum. On next question, you are given 2 identical sequences in 2 rows. Yes, there are 2 identical sequences. They have already told there are 2 identical sequences, right? Sequence 1, sequence 2. What is the entry in the place of C for the sequence 2? So C அப்படிங்கற பிளேஸ்ல என்ன வரணும்? C ங்கற பிளேஸ்ல என்ன வரணும்? That is the question, right? 2 identical sequence. Already ஒரு sequenceல full number கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So இது என்ன pattern நான் find out பண்ணிட்டேனா I can easily find out the second sequence and C ங்கற இடத்துல என்ன வரணும் நான் ஈஸியா find out பண்ணிடலாம், right? 8, 4, 6, 15. Sequence 1, 8, 4, 8, 4, 6, 15, 6, 15, 52.5, 236.25, 236.25, and the sequence 2 I have to find out, right? Sequence 2 5 மட்டும் தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க எனக்கு. So 5 and this is A, B, C, D, E and the question is C ங்கற பிளேஸ்ல என்ன வரும்? That is the question, right? Okay, let me first find out the relation in these numbers, right? So 8, 4, 8 into 0.5 is 4, 4 into 0.1.5 is 6, 6 into 2.5 is 15, 15 into 3.5 is 52.5 and 52 into 4.5 is 236.25. So just follow the same pattern here. 5 into 0.5. 0.5 into 5 you will get 2.5. So in the place of A you will get 2.5. Right? So this is into 0.5. Right? In the place of A, I have got 2.5. So 2.5 into 1.5. 2.5 into 1.55. So this is 3.75. In the place of B, it is 3.75. Right? 3.75. Again, I have to multiply this with 2.5. So 3.75 into 2.5, 35, 37, 15, 16, 17, 18, 5 2s are 3, 14, 15, 2 3 6 plus 1 is 7, 5, 7, 3, 1, 7, 8, 9 and 2 3 digits. So in the place of C, 9.375, right? In the place of 3, it is 9.375. Yes. Okay, let me check with the options. Yes, look at the option. What is the entry in the place of C for the sequence 2? Right? Option C, 9.375. 9.375. Answer is option C, 9.375. Okay, let me go for the next problem. Yes. A boy, just read this question twice just to understand the concept. A boy plays with a ball and he drops it from a height of 1.5 meter. Every time the ball hits the ground, it bounces back to attain a height 4 by 5th of the previous height. The ball does not bounce further if the previous height is less than 50 centimeter. What is the number of times the ball hits the ground before the ball stops bouncing? Just read this question twice and understand the concept. A boy plays with the ball and he drops it from a height of 1.5 meter. Right? Initially, he drops the ball from a height of 1.5 meter. Every time the ball hits the ground, it bounces back to attain a height 4 by 5th of the previous height. The ball does not bounce further if the previous height is less than 50 centimeter. And the question is, what is the number of times the ball hits the ground before the ball stops bouncing? Okay. First time, the boy drops the ball from a height of 1.5 meter. Right? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1.5 meter, which is nothing but 150 centimeter. Right? 150 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1.5 meter, which is nothing but 150 centimeter. Right? Initially, the boy drops the ball from a height of 150 centimeter. Right? So, first hit when the ball hits the ground. First hit will happen from a height of 150 centimeter. The boy drops the ball from height of 150 centimeter. It initially hits the ground, which is the first hit. Right? So, okay. When the first hit happened, the ball came from a height of 150 centimeter. And the question is, every time the ball hits the ground, it bounces back to attain a height 4 by 5th of the previous height. Okay. When will the second hit happen? Okay. 4 by, when the ball hits the ground, right? When does it bounce back? It bounces back to attain 4 by 5th of the previous height. Right? 4 by 5th of the previous height, 150 centimeter, which is nothing but 120 centimeter, right? So for the second hit, it is 120 centimeter. I'm checking for the next hit. Again, 4 by 5th of the previous hit, 4 by 5th of the previous hit, 120. Probably 5, 4 centimeter. I will get 96 centimeter. 96 centimeter. Okay. Next hit, 4th hit. And just look at this line. The ball does not bounce further if the previous height is less than 50 centimeter, right? The ball does not bounce further if the previous height is less than 50 centimeter. Okay. 96 centimeter, will the ball bounce again? Yes, the ball bounce again because 96 is greater than 50, right? So 4 by 5 into 96. And I will get 76. And I will get 76.8 centimeter. Will the ball bounce again? Yes, the ball bounce again because 76.8 is greater than 50 centimeter. Again, I'm checking for 5th hit. 4 by 5th of 76.8, which is equal to, and probably you will get 61.44. Right, 61.44. And when you go for the next hit, 4 by 5 of the previous height, you will get probably 49 point something. Right, 49 point something. But the question is, the ball does not bounce further if the previous height is less than 50 centimeter, right? The ball does not bounce further if the previous height is less than 50 centimeter, right? So this is the first hit. This is less than 50 centimeter, and from here the ball does not bounce again, right? So bounces stops here. Ball bouncing stops here. So first hit, second hit, third hit, fourth hit, fifth hit, and answer is, just listen, just look at the question. The ball does not bounce further if the previous height is less than 50 centimeter, right? So 150 centimeter the ground la adichu bounce agum first hit. 120 சென்டிமீட்டர்ல இருந்து வந்து கிரவுண்ட் அடிச்சு பவுன்ஸ் ஆகுது. செகண்ட் ஹிட் again 96, 76.8, 60, 1.44. ரைட்? இப்ப பாருங்க, இதுல இருந்து 4/5 of the previous height. இங்க இருந்து பால் பவுன்ஸ் ஆகுமா? 61.44. இதுல 4/5. இப்ப 61.44ல இருந்து வந்து அடிச்ச உடனே again 4/5 வந்து ரைஸ் ஆகும். Right? Because the question is, please read this line again. The ball does not bounce further if the previous height is less than 50 centimeter. Previous height 50 centimeter விட கம்மியா இருந்தா ball bounce ஆகாது. Right? Okay. 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 61.4 னா அடிக்கும் போது again it bounces because this is greater than 50. Right? This is greater than 50 centimeters. So 61.44 ல இருந்து hit ஆகும் போது again the ball bounce ஆகும். Right? Again the ball bounce out. Bounce on a ball bounce ஆயிடுச்சு. அப்ப again அடிக்குமா? கிரவுண்ட்ல அடிக்கும். கிரவுண்ட்ல அடிக்கும். 49 point something கிரவுண்ட்ல அடிச்சு. பட் இந்த இடத்துல பால் பவுன்ஸ் ஆகாது. again இதுக்கு மேல பால் வந்து பவுன்ஸ் ஆகாது because 49 point something. I cannot calculate 4/5 to 49 point something because the ball does not bounce further if the previous height is less than 50. If the previous height is less than 50 centimeters. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 because in the ball when the bounce height 61.44 ல இருந்து வந்து அடிச்ச கீழ கிரவுண்ட்ல ஹிட் ஆன உடனே அதனுடைய previous height 61.44ல 4/5 க்கு பவுன்ஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு. அந்த பவுன்ஸ் ஆன பால் கண்டிப்பா கிரவுண்ட்ல ஹிட் ஆகும். ரைட்டா? அப்ப அந்த இடத்துல 6th ஹிட் நடந்துச்சு. 6th ஹிட் நடக்கும்போது அது என்ன ஹைட்னா 49.4. So 49 point something இருக்கு. 49 point இதுக்கு மேல பால் பவுன்ஸ் ஆகுமா அப்படினா கண்டிப்பா பால் பவுன்ஸ் ஆகாது because நான் ஃபர்ஸ்டே சொல்றேன் 50 the ball does not bounce further if the previous height is less than 50 cm. இங்க 50 cm கம்மியா இருக்கறதால இந்த இடத்துக்கு மேல பால் பவுன்ஸ் ஆகாது. சோ எத்தனை தடவை பால் வந்து கிரவுண்ட் ஹிட் பண்ணிருக்குன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா totally 6 times. Right? Answer is 6. Answer is C, 6. Fine? Okay. And next one. This is the 5th question, last question of this video. A man completes time and work. A man completes 7/8 of a job in 21 days. How many more days will it take him to finish the job if quantum of work is further increased by 50%? A man completes 7/8 of a job in 21 days. Right? A man completes a job 7/8 of a job in 21 days. Let me check the total. Okay. A man completes 7/8 of a work in 21 days. Right? So the total work should get completed in, and this is 8/7. So the total works get completed in 24 days. The total work should get completed in 24 days. Now, what is the question? How many more days will it take him to finish the job if quantum of work is further increased by 50%? If the quantum of the work is further increased by 50%. Either 50% increase ana enna agum? Just add 12. So this is 636, right? So 50% of the quantum of the work add ana 36 naal venum, right? So he needs total days evlana 36 days. But what is the question? Look at the question carefully. How many more days? How many more days? Which is most important word. How many more days will it take him to finish the job? Already he completes in 21 days. Already he completed 21 days, right? Already he completed 21 days, right? So total work is 36 already. Because the question is how many more days? Innum எத்தனை நாள் வேணும்? Already அவர் 21 days complete பண்ணிட்டாரு. இன்னும் எத்தனை நாள் வேணும் அப்படினு சொல்லி கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So 31 already அவர் முடிச்சிருக்கிற நாள் 21. So answer is 15. Right? Answer is 15. Answer is here D, 15. Right? Okay. Thank you.